Now next question, find the coefficient of x raised to 5 in the product of 1 plus 2x raised to 6 into 1 minus x raised to 7. So to solve such problems, first of all I expand this expression. Here 1 plus 2x raised to 6 equal to, so here applying formula 1 plus x raised to n. Suppose this is x. So applying formula for 1 plus x raised to n, formula is nc0 plus nc1 times x plus nc2 x square plus nc3 x cube plus nc4 x raised to 4 plus nc5 x raised to 5 plus ncn x raised to n. 1 plus x raised to n, nc0, nc1x, nc2x square, nc3x cube, like that. So getting value of this line, 6c0 is 1 plus 6c1 is 6 into 2x plus 6c2, 6 into 5 upon 2 into 1, 30 by 2. So this is 15 into 4x square plus 6c3 is 6 into 5 into 4, 6 into 5 into 4 upon 3 into 2 into 1. So 6c3 is 20. So this is 20 into 8x cube plus 6c4. 6c4 is 6c2 and 6c2 is 15. So 6c4 is 15 into 16 times x raised to 4 plus 6c5 is 61. 6c5 is 61. 61 is 6 into, this is 32 times x raised to 5 plus 6c6 is 1 into 64 times x raised to 6. So simplifying this line, it is equal to 1 plus 12x plus 60x square plus, this is 160x cube plus 15 into 16, 240 x raised to 4 plus 32 into 6, 192 x raised to 5 plus 64 x raised to 6. So this is expansion for 1 plus 2x raised to 6. Now we expand 1 plus 1 minus x raised to 7. 1 minus x raised to 7. 1 minus x raised to n. So applying 1 minus x raised to n, nc0 minus nc1 into x plus nc2 into x square. Here we keep alternate sign. Minus nc3 x cube plus nc4 x raised to 4 minus, now see here we want coefficient of x raised to 5. So next after this x raised to 4, next is minus 7c5 x raised to 5. Till this terms will be used in calculation because we need coefficient of x raised to 5. After x raised to 5, whatever are terms, that will not be used in calculation. So if we don't keep after this, if there are many more number of terms, then we can leave these terms as dot dot dot. But here only two terms are left. So let me keep those two terms. So plus 7c6 x raised to 6 plus 7c7 x raised to 7. So only two terms were left after x raised to 5. That's why we are here showing. Otherwise, if here more than 3-4 terms are left, no need to show. We can show them by dash 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 dash, because we need till x raised to 5. So simplifying this line, 7c0 is 1 minus 7c1 is 7 into x plus 7c2 7 into 5 upon 7 into 6 upon 2 into 1 42 upon 2, that is 21 x square, minus 7c3 is 7 into 6 into 5 3 into 2 into 1, so it is 35. So minus 35x cube plus 7c4 is 7c3 and 7c3 is 35. So this will be 35x raised to 4. 7c5 equal to 7c2. So 7c5 is 21. So 21x raised to 5. 7c6 is 7c1. 7c1 is 7. And this is here there will be minus sign. Minus 7c7 is 1 into x raised to 7. So this is expansion for 1 minus x raised to 7. Now we keep expression for 1 plus 2x raised to 5 into 1 minus x raised to 7 equal to, value for this expression is 1 plus 12x plus 60x square plus 160x cube plus 240x raised to 4 plus 192x raised to 5 plus 64x raised to 6. So expression for expansion for this term, it is from equation 1 into, so into, now we continue in next line, into 1 minus x raised to 7. So 1 minus x raised to 7 is 1 minus 7x plus 21x square minus 35x cube plus 35x raised to 4 minus 21x raised to 5 plus 7 times x raised to 6 minus x raised to 7. So first bracket into second bracket. If we expand these brackets, then in this bracket, first bracket, here power is 6. So this has 7 terms. In this expansion, first bracket has 7 terms, second bracket has 8 terms. So if you multiply these brackets, then we can get 7 into 8, 56 terms. If you multiply these two brackets, then you will have 56 terms. So too much lengthy expression. And from this 56 terms, we want to focus on coefficient of x raised to 5 only. So because we want to focus on coefficient of x raised to 5, no need to write all 56 terms. Just we are focusing only those terms in which x raised to 5 appears. So we do not expand this completely. We take from this expansion only necessary part. So the next statement is, therefore on right hand side, in expansion of expanding right hand side of above statement, from expansion of right hand side of above statement, focusing on x raised to 5, coefficient of x raised to 5 equal to See, when we multiply these brackets, what we do? We multiply 1. First term, first bracket. We multiply 1 with these all numbers. So 1 into this number, 1 into this number, 1 into this number will be x square, 1 into this number contains x cube, 1 into this number. And when you multiply 1 with minus 21x raised to 5, this product gives minus 21x raised to 5. Focus on x raised to 5. So coefficient of x raised to 5 will be 1 into minus 1. That is minus 1 into minus 21. Then multiplication of these two, it gives 1 x raised to 6. Multiplication of these two terms gives x raised to 7. We don't require other numbers. So when you multiply 1 with this line, there will be only one term with x raised to 5, and it is minus 21 times x raised to 5. So minus 21 is taken inside. Now we multiply 12x with a second bracket. So multiplying 12x with this number, 12x into 1, 12x into minus 7x, so minus 84x square. We don't want x square. 12x into 21x square, it will have x cube. We don't want x cube. 12x into this number, it gives x raised to 4. We don't want x raised to 4. 12x into 35x raised to 4. So here, when 12x will be multiplied with 35x raised to 4, it will be x raised to 5. So coefficient of x raised to 5 will be 12 into 35 in this line. 12x into 35x raised to 4, so this much x raised to 5. Then 12x into this number, it gives x raised to 6. This number into this number gives x raised to 7. We don't want x raised to 6, x raised to 7, x raised to 8. So don't focus on those numbers. So multiplying 12x with this bracket, when it will be multiplied with this number, we are getting only x raised to 5. Now turn off 60x square. Similarly, 60x square into 1, 60x square into this number, 60x square into this number, and when this will be multiplied with this number, it will be x raised to 5. So plus 60 into minus 35. Then continuing this procedure, this will be multiplied with this number. So plus 160 into 21. It gives x raised to 5. Then next 240 into minus 7. 240 into minus 7. Then next 192 times x raised to 5 into 1. So 192 into 1. So that means we can say that coefficients of, this is the sum of coefficients of x raised to 5 in this 56 terms. When we expand these two brackets in 56 terms, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms with x raised to 5, having x raised to 5. So coefficient of x raised to 5 is sum of all coefficients of x raised to 5. So this is equal to minus 21 plus, this will be 350 plus 70, 420. This will be 35 into 6. 35 into 6, that is 35 into 2, 70. 70 into 3, 210. So this is minus 210 plus 1 more 0 plus 21 into 16. So 21 into 16, that is 336. So this will be 336, 3360. 21 into 16. So that is 126, 3, 3, 336. Okay. Then minus 240 into 7. So here 0, 7 into 4, 28, keep 8, 2, 7 into 2, 14, plus 2, 16, 1680, plus 192. So that is, now positive numbers, these 1, 2, 3 are positive numbers. So taking total of positive, 0 plus 0 plus 2, that is 2. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Keep here 7. Then 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. And then fourth digit is 3. So 3972 minus, see sum of these negative numbers, 1, 2, 3. So adding these numbers, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 1. Then 2 plus 0, 2 plus 8, 10. So 0. Then adding 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 6, 8. And then 2 plus 1, 3. 3801. So this is 2 minus 1 is 1, 7 minus 0 is 7, 9 minus 8 is 1. So 171. This is coefficient of x raised to 5. Find n if the ratio of the fifth term from the beginning to the fifth term from the end in the expansion of this expression is root 6 is to 1. Say here, first of all we get expression for general term in the expansion of this expression, rth term, r plus 1th term is NCR a raised to n minus r b raised to, this is b raised to r. R plus 1th term is NCR a raised to n minus r into b raised to r. So that is, simplifying this, NCR into, this will be, say here in this question we need fifth term. So directly we can keep here 5, r equal to 5 can be taken. Otherwise let us simplify more, then after getting it simple form, more simple form, we will keep r equal to 4 to get fifth term. So NCR into, this is 4th root of 2. It is 4th root of 2. This is 4th root of 3. So it is 2 raised to 1 by 4 raised to n minus r into 1 upon 3 raised to 1 by 4 raised to r. So that is, r plus 1th term is NCR 2 raised to n minus r by 4 upon 3 raised to r by 4. It is r plus 1th term, general term. Now, fifth term from the beginning, for r equal to 4, we are getting fifth term. Putting r equal to 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So NC4, r is 4. 2 raised to n minus 4 by 4 upon 3 raised to 4 by 4. So r is taken 4. So it is equal to NC4. Therefore, fifth term is NC4 2 raised to n minus 4 by 4 upon 3. 3 raised to 4 by 4 is 3. So this is result 1. Fifth term. Now we are going to get fifth term from the end. Fifth term from the end. So here expansion has n plus 1 terms. Here expansion has n plus 1 terms. So that means first term, second term, third term, this is last term. Expansion has n plus 1 terms. Now let us observe what is the order of the fifth term from the last. This is last term. Then second last term will be here n, because this is n plus 1. Third last will be t n minus 1. Fourth last will be t n minus 2. And fifth last will be t n minus 3. So this is, in this expansion, this term is fifth term from the last. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fifth term from last. Fifth term from the last means from the end. It is fifth term from the end. So we shall find n minus 3th term. It is n minus 3rd term from the beginning. So to obtain n minus 3rd term, here we have to put r equal to n minus 4. So let I say this equation 1, this is 2. So putting or replacing r in equation 1, replace r by, see we want n minus 3rd term. So to have here this value n minus 3, we have to put r equal to n minus 4. So n minus 4 in equation 1. So I am putting here n minus 4. So n minus 4 plus 1 is n minus 3 equal to nc n minus 4 into 2 raised to n minus 4 by 4 upon 3 raised to n minus 4 by 4. So in this equation I have replaced r by n minus 4. So we are getting n minus 3rd term from the beginning. So it is equal to nc n minus 4 into, this will be n minus n plus 4, 4 by 4, that is 2 raised to 1 upon 3 raised to n minus 4 by 4. So this is fifth term from last, fifth term from the end, which is fifth term from the end, which is the fifth term. From the end. Now its ratio is root 6 is to 1. Let me say this is 3. So from 2 and 3, given that we are given that ratio of these two numbers, this number that is fifth term from the beginning and fifth term from the end. So ratio of this two number is root 6 is to 1. So this number is NC4 into, or let me say T5 upon Tn minus 3. This is root 6 is to 1. So putting values, therefore this is NC4 into 2 raised to n minus 4 by 4 upon 3 upon, and n minus third term is NC n minus 4 into 2 upon 3 raised to n minus 4 by 4. It is root 6 by 1. Therefore, now see, NC4 is NCn minus 4. These values are equal. So this will be cancelled. So what is left? 2 raised to n minus 4 by 4 upon 3 into, this is 2, and this term comes in numerator, 3 raised to n minus 4 by 4 equal to root 6. So therefore, now joining these two numbers in numerator, 2 into 3 raised to n minus 4 by 4 equal to 6 root 6. So this is 6 raised to n minus 4 by 4 equal to 6 raised to 3 by 2. This is 1 plus half. So n minus 4 by 4 is 3 by 2. Therefore, 2n minus 8 is equal to 12. So 2n is 20. So value of n is 10. To find value of this expression, see, we have to apply binomial theorem, a plus b raised to n, a minus b raised to n. But for convenience in calculation, we shall suppose that this is equal to, we use some another symbol. Suppose it is equal to m. We will take m, we will replace that number by m. So say here we are taking root a square minus 1 equal to m, a square plus m raised to 4. Its expansion is a square plus m raised to 4. Its expansion is NC0 a raised to n plus NC1 a raised to n minus 1 into b raised to 1 plus NC2 power of a square will be decreased and power of m will be increased plus 4c3 a square raised to 1 m raised to 3 plus 4c4 m raised to 4. A plus b raised to n, nc0 a raised to n plus nc1 a raised to n minus 1 b raised to 1, like that. In second line, now a square minus m raised to 4. This is a square minus m raised to 4. So it is equal to, we keep alternate sign, minus 4c1 a square raised to 3 m raised to 1 plus 4c2 a square whole square into m square minus 4c3 a square raised to 1 m cube plus 4c4 m raised to 4. We take alternate sign. Now we want addition of these two numbers. So adding this 1 and 2, this is 1, this is 2. So adding 1 and 2, a square plus m raised to 4 plus a square minus m raised to 4 is, say this will be 2 times, say this will be cancelled. When you add these two lines, this number will be cancelled, this number will be cancelled. So whatever are left, it will be double times. So 2 times 4c0 a square raised to 4 plus 4c2 into a square whole square into m square plus 4c4 m raised to 4. Now we are putting values. Value of m, that means a square plus root a square minus 1 raised to 4 plus a square minus root a square minus 1 raised to 4. I am replacing back m by root a square minus 1. It is equal to 2 times 4c0 is 1. This is a raised to 8 plus 4c2 is 4 into 3 upon 2 into 1, 12 by 2, that is 6 into a raised to 4, and m square that is root a square minus 1 square. 4c4 is 1, 4c4 is 1, and m raised to 4, that is root a square minus 1 raised to 4. So simplifying this, 2 into a raised to 8 plus 6 times a raised to 4, here a square minus 1 plus this will be a square minus 1 square. This is raised to half into 4, that is 2. So that is one more step, a raised to 8 plus 6 times a raised to 6 minus 6 times a raised to 4 plus, now expanding this, a raised to 4 minus 2a square plus 1. So this is equal to 2 into a raised to 8 plus 6 times a raised to 6, adding these two numbers, minus 5 times a raised to 4 minus 2 times a square plus 1. So that is 2 times a raised to 8 plus 12 times a raised to 6 minus 10 times a raised to 4 minus 4 times a square plus 2. So this is required value. Now say here 3x square minus 2ax plus 3a square whole cube. We want to expand this using a binomial theorem. To apply binomial theorem, there should be two numbers inside bracket. Binomial, we don't have trinomial theorem. Here there are 3 numbers. So what we do? We make association of any two. See, because here there is plus sign and here minus sign, we take association of these two numbers. So this can be written as 3x square minus 2ax plus 3a square whole cube. You can consider this as m times, say this is m plus 3a square whole cube. So converted into binomial. So now applying formula a plus b raised to n. So nc0 a raised to n plus nc1 a raised to n minus 1 and b is starting plus nc2 e raised to n minus 2, that is 3 minus 2 is 1, and b square plus ncn b raised to n. So nc0 a raised to n plus nc1 a raised to n minus 1 b raised to 1 plus nc2 a raised to n minus 2 b raised to 2 ncn a raised to b raised to n. So considering this as a, this as b, applied a plus b raised to n. So now 3c0 is 1. Now once again here we apply binomial theorem. Here power is 3, n is 3, like x minus y raised to n. So nc0 a raised to n minus nc1 a raised to n minus 1 and b starts, then plus 3c2 e raised to n minus 2, its power decreasing, this term's power is increasing, plus 3c3 2ax raised to 3. So this is 1 2 3 alternate sign, here minus, plus minus plus minus because of minus sign. So we have applied a minus b raised to n. These numbers we keep as it is, plus 3c1 into here 3x square minus 2ax whole square. 3c1 we can give 3 into, this is 3 into 3a square, that is 9a square. So 3a square into expansion of this number is 9 times x raised to 4. Middle term will be minus 12 ax cube. Last term is 4a square x square plus 3c2 is 3c1, 3c1 is 3 into, this is 9a raised to 4 into 3x square minus 2ax plus 3c3 is 1, 27a raised to 6. So that is 1 into anything is 1. Now see 3c0 is 1 into 27 into x raised to 6 minus 3c1 is 3 into 3 square 9x raised to 4 into 2ax plus 3c2 is 3c1 is 3 into 3x square into 4a square x square minus 3c3 is 1, so 8a cube x cube plus this is 9a square we are multiplying with bracket, so 9 into 9 81a square x raised to 4. 3 into 3 9a square, so 9 into 12 108 a square into a cube x cube, 9a square into 4a square x square, so 9 into 4 36 a raised to 4 x square. Now this is 27 a raised to 4, so 27 into 3 81 a raised to 4 x square, 27 into 2 minus 54 a raised to 5x plus 27 times a raised to 6. So this is equal to 27 x raised to 6 minus 9 into 3 27 into 2 54 a into x raised to 5 plus 3 into 3 9 9 into 4 36 a raised to 2 into x raised to 4 minus 8 a cube x cube plus 81 a square x raised to 4 minus 108 a cube x cube plus 36 a raised to 4 x square plus 81 a raised to 4 x square minus 54 a raised to 5x plus 27 a raised to 6. Now joining like terms, this is 27x raised to 6. So 27x raised to 6, this is raised to 5, 54a x raised to 5. Now here, these are with x raised to 4, so 36 plus 81, that is 117 a square x raised to 4. Then these are with x cube, 108 and 8 minus 116 a cube x cube. Then these are with a raised to 4. So again this is 117 into a raised to 4 x square minus 54 times a raised to 5 into x plus 27 a raised to 6.